Find features that differentiate it from other brands for LG M7 Sound Suite wireless speaker. And why you should buy choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. Spatial sound that flows all around. Build your sound suite with wireless speakers that unlock a deeper, more cinematic experience with spatial sound that flows all around. Enjoy an effortless setup with Dolby Atmos FlexConnect and a refined design that's equally seamless. What is Dolby Atmos? Dolby Atmos is the next generation of audio formats that enhances the entertainment you love. It goes beyond ordinary listening by transporting you with the breakthrough spatial sound technology that puts you at the center of every scene for a fully immersive listening experience. What is Dolby Atmos FlexConnect? Dolby Atmos FlexConnect or DAFC gives you the flexibility to place your wireless speakers anywhere you choose, intelligently optimizing your listening experience based on room settings and speaker location. Countless ways to listen your way. With DAFC, you're able to create full 3D soundscapes through overhead channels enabled with Dolby Atmos and bring life to the entertainment you love. Choose from a variety of sound suite speaker combinations and enjoy a setup that's free from fixed layouts or rules. Pair with the H7 soundbar, W7 subwoofer or add additional M7 or M5 speakers to create an entertainment oasis that suits your style and sound preference. Engineered for acoustic excellence, indulge in rich, crystal clear stereo sound from 3 full-range drivers and a woofer engineered by Peerless, a pioneer in acoustic excellence for 100 years. An up-firing driver creates a 3D audio dome that reflects sound off the ceiling to fill your space from every direction. Stream instantly. Entertain effortlessly. Stream lossless high-quality content from any device over Wi-Fi using Apple AirPlay or Google Cast. Enjoy instant access to music and more with expandable Wi-Fi streaming from your suite of speakers and fill your home with sound for a seamless entertainment experience. Wireless connection to your LG TV, M7 speakers connect directly to your LG TV for a seamless, clean, wire-free setup. With support up to Wi-Fi, every configuration connects wirelessly with rock-solid stability and lossless quality. OLED level performance, powered by the same processor that elevates the award-winning LG OLED Evo picture quality. LG's Alpha 11 Gen 3 AI processor brings cinematic intelligence to your living room. Unlock our most advanced home audio experience when pairing your M7 wireless speaker with an H7 soundbar or select LG TV. Enjoy vocal clarity, depth in every scene and a truly immersive listening experience like never before. Real-time genre recognition with AI Sound Pro. AI Sound Pro uses advanced signal analysis to identify whether you're listening to dialogue, music, or movies in real time. It then fine-tunes clarity, balance, and spatial depth based on genre-specific profiles, delivering sound that adapts intelligently to every scene. Fully immerse in your entertainment. AI Room Calibration Pro uses spatial awareness technology to analyze unique characteristics of your space. It then optimizes audio settings to match the environment, delivering full, surround sound. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.